Hey guys, so this is our Unit 1, Assignment 1. So remember, we're going to be using Pemdas. What does that stand for? We have parentheses. So it's when you see something that looks like this, right? It might have like 2 plus 3. It would be solving inside the parentheses, okay? And then we have exponent. So it's a number to the power of, right? So it might be like 2 to the power of 2, or it might be 5 to the power of 3. And the power is the number times you multiply. So 2 to the power of 2 means you multiply 2 twice. 5 to the power of 3 means you multiply 5 3 times. Okay? We also have multiplication. And multiplication can be seen as a dot. It can be seen as a number in front of parentheses. Okay? And then we have division. Division can be seen as this symbol or a fraction bar. And then we have addition, and that's only you see a plus, and then subtraction, you only see the subtraction symbol. Okay, so that's kind of a rundown of PEMDAS. So when you see something big and scary and dangerous like this, start off with the first parentheses, okay? Now you start PEMDAS all over inside this parentheses. So you're going to solve for inside this parentheses first. I'm just going to go ahead and do that one real quick because that's definitely something you can do on your hand, right? So 2 plus 5 is 7. So if I rewrote it 3 bracket, remember this right here represents a multiplication. So this would be 3 times whatever is inside of the bracket. 3 times, and then 4 minus 8 plus 4 squared. And it's outside the parentheses, so it's going to represent a multiply. And once you have a whole number, you can take away the parentheses, times 7. Okay? From here on out, you do the rest of PEMDAS inside of here. So you're going to go to your exponent, which is going to be here. Once you solve the exponent, then you're going to multiply. And then you're going to add, then subtract. Once you find the value of the bracket, you're going to multiply it by the 3 on the outside of the bracket. Remember, a number outside the parentheses represents multiply. So the value of the bracket and then times 3. And I'm also going to put this here. You can do it like a star as well, a dot. I don't like doing a times like that because we're going to be moving in with a lot of letters with a higher level of math. So I don't want you guys to get too confused. Hopefully that helped for that first one. For the second one, you want to treat them separately. So you're going to do PEMDAS up here and do PEMDAS down here. The last step would be to do the bar. So for this first one, you want to solve inside the parentheses first, okay? So whatever your number is inside the parentheses, then if we get a whole number, you can take it away, then square it over whatever this number is down here. That's just a simple addition problem. Now you can leave it once you have this number squared, once you have your new number, it'll be a whole number over a whole number. And then you can divide it, it'll give you another whole number, or you could leave it as a fraction for that problem. And then same for this last one. So you can see that we have brackets again, right? You want to do PEMDAS inside the brackets. The last step is going to be adding this 25. So let's take a look inside the brackets. So I see a parentheses right here. So you're going to solve inside the parentheses first. Hello. And you're going to want to do the PEMDAS order. So there's no more parentheses in that parentheses, no exponents. So your next step would be to multiply. then you're going to subtract. Okay. And then once you get a number right here, then you can solve over here because that you're inside the, you already finished everything for the parentheses. So at this point, you want to treat the same thing as before for problem 2. You want to solve the top part. You'll get a number and then divide it by the number. You're going to do this division first. And then you're going to add it. This is also inside the bracket. And then so you're going to take your bracket number and add it to 25. Okay. And so hopefully this helps you guys. If you want to take a screen grab, this would kind of cover everything. Okay. If you guys have any questions, let me know.